You're looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift for the kids in your life? Cecilia Pearson is here with Alabama Baby and Child Magazine and
ALBabyMag.com.
ALBabyMag.com. I always forget it. I'm sorry.
That's
How
okay.
are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you. I love y'all in the red
Thank you.
stuff.
I got my Valentine's on.
Cute, cute, cute stuff. You want to start over here?
Yeah, we'll start. These are gifts for mom and baby. Sorry, Dad. But this is do-it-yourself pottery. So you can go to Do-It-Yourself Crafts. This is right here in Homewood. You can still go today, and they can you can paint your own pottery, and they can fire it up. You can do it with.
Oh, that's neat.
This is something like a mom would do for herself, or you can even do handprints, and so you can get real creative.
Oh, I
and
love
so,
the handprint.
Yeah, so this is something fun that they have that you can do. They have some stuff that's already done that you can purchase, or you can even buy her a gift certificate. At the end of the month, they're going to have like paint your heart out. So you can get a gift certificate and let her go with some friends and just paint.
Okay, very good.
The next one is you can't go wrong with sweets. And so we just went to Savages and picked some of their treats. They got heart cookies and petit fours and bags of cookies already set up. And so that's maybe perfect if you're going to take a teacher gift or something like that. So that's one quick idea, and there's tons of sweet shops around.
All right.
And this is something for the kids. This is from Homewood Toy and Hobby. They've got the Melissa and Doug stamp set, and this is great because they can make their own Valentine's Day card, or you can use this afterwards kind of as a learning tool where you can do the stamps and the children can guess, you know, what's on the stamp. So it's something that can be a tool afterwards. And I don't know if you can see it in front, but we've got a heart-shaped teething ring. I'll see if I can pull it up. But a heart-shaped teething ring right there. And so that's another one that's at Homewood Toy and Hobby. And then this little necklace, this is actually made by a local designer, Nikki Quick. I got that from Once Upon a Time, but it's a heart with a little pearl. And she can design any kind of necklace you want. So this is for a little girl, but she can design a mom necklace. And this is Once Upon a Time in Homewood and Crestline.
So make it a little personal.
Yeah, personalized. And then these look like nice little plastic beads, but they're actually called chew beads.
Stop. Really?
Yeah, and that's what the mom can wear, and it's actually a teething bracelet for the child. And so it serves two purposes in one.
Neat.
And so that's kind of like something that would be fun to get. And you know how they always pull it on your necklaces and want to put them in their mouth? Well, this is, you know.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's antibacterial, it's good for them, and so it's called chew beads, and so it's a bracelet for them.
Okay, let's move down
this
to
is
the,
real cute.
Right
This is called Kissy Kissy, and these are nice cotton onesies. This is one for the preemie. And that's from Once Upon a Time, and so if you've got a little bitty one in your life. The last one is from Jack and Jill, and that's a heart gown.
That's sweet.
And they have a robe to match. And then they also, the last one are the slippers.
That's our favorite,
yes.
so let's take a look at
the
those.
The slippers came from Sykes, and they have pink and red. And so again, I think any little girl would love to have their gown and their slipper with their hearts on it.
That is so
sweet. All local retailers, all something you can get by noon today before it snows.
All right, very good.
All on our website, ALBabyMag.com.
Okay, Cece, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cute, cute stuff.